Hi, welcome back to Mrs. Hewitt's Spelling at Home. So today we are just going to look at a very small set of words, but they are words that you're going to read and write quite often, and they are quite commonly misspelt words. So hopefully this will help you in the future remembering how to spell these words. So we're going to look at words that have this ending, okay? And this is a special set of words. They're called modal verbs because they talk about whether the likelihood of us going to do something or not. So we pronounce this as ud, okay? I know it looks like oud, doesn't it? But we pronounce it as ud, okay? And the words that we are going to look at today are, there's only 3 words, so you're not going to have a chance to kind of go and write them yourself. We're just going to practice reading and writing them today. So we have this one, and that says could. And we also have would, and we have should. So this is if you were talking about going to do something, you might say, well, I could do this or I could do that. I would definitely, so that's more like a definite one. And then I should is like what you ought to do. Okay, so they are our 3 words. And the reason I'm doing that, and I've done my red crosses again today, is because quite often when we are reading your writing, we're seeing this: would and could and should. Okay, but actually that's going to be should, isn't it? Okay, so it's really important that you're remembering it's just these sets of 3 words. We can remember it as a set. We can remember as would, could, should, and you need to remember that it is spelt with this ending, the O-U-L-D, okay, because that's one of our, almost like our tricky words that that we need to remember because you can't really sound it out, okay? So it's the ud words. And also normally, like with wood, like the forest wood, you'd have the ood, the O-O-D, like good, and wood. Okay, but that's a different set of words. So if we remember these, almost like a set of 3, would, could, and should. Okay, and they're the ones that we're going to be writing today. So what I would like you to do is I'm going to hold up the word would, and I want you to pause the video when I do that and try and think of a sentence that has the word would in. You're going to spell it correctly. Then I'm going to take it away, and you need to try and write that again without looking. Okay, so there you've got would. Pause the video. Okay, hopefully you wrote a sentence. I've taken it away now. Pause the video again and try and write that word would lots of times correctly, or write yourself a sentence with the word would in. So go. Okay, now we're going to do the same for could. So have a good look at could. Pause the video now and write that. Well done. Okay, taking it away. Now it's your turn to try and write that without looking now, okay? Okay, and the last one, and we're hopefully remembering that O-U-L-D as our string now, because that's the bit you need to remember, and just change the starting sound. We have should. Okay, write down should, and then write your own sentence using the word should. Okay, I've done one sentence to show you. So I've got this one. I would like a piece of cake. And I've got the word would in there, okay? But really, I say they're the sets of words would, should, could. Remember, they all go together, and hopefully you'll be remembering that O-U-L-D ending. So your job today now is to really just pick those 3 words and just practice writing them. So the more you write it, the more you get it in your head. It's like that muscle memory. Your hands know what to do. So practice writing those words out, practice writing some sentences with those words in. And when you're reading, see if you can spot those words in your reading books as well. That's a really good thing to do. Okay, that's it for today then. I'll see you back tomorrow. Thank you and bye.